If we talk about the Ultrabooks, the HP Spectre x360 and the MacBook Air M2 stand out as top contenders, each offering a blend of style, performance, and portability. Choosing between these two powerhouse devices can be a daunting task, as both have their unique strengths and capabilities. Hi, welcome back to Gadgetarian Geek. In this video, we'll delve into a detailed comparison to help you determine which Ultrabook is the better fit for your needs. Before starting the video, the buy links are given in the description and you can buy these laptops from Amazon at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. The HP Spectre x360 boasts a sleek and sophisticated design with its gem-cut aluminum chassis, creating an aesthetic appeal that exudes elegance and modernity. On the other hand, the MacBook Air M2 follows Apple's iconic minimalist design language, featuring a slim and lightweight aluminum enclosure that is both sturdy and stylish. While the Spectre x360 offers a more angular and distinct design, the MacBook Air M2 is renowned for its seamless and premium build quality. Under the hood, both Ultrabooks pack a punch with their cutting-edge hardware configurations. The HP Spectre x360 is powered by Intel's latest processors, offering robust performance for multitasking and productivity tasks. Additionally, it features ample RAM and storage options to cater to diverse user requirements. In comparison, the MacBook Air M2 is equipped with Apple's proprietary M2 chip, known for its efficiency and power optimization. With a focus on battery life and performance, the M2 chip delivers impressive speeds and responsiveness, making it ideal for everyday computing tasks and light creative work. When it comes to displays, both Ultrabooks offer stunning visuals and immersive viewing experiences. The HP Spectre x360 features a vibrant and color-accurate touchscreen display, making it suitable for multimedia consumption, content creation, and casual gaming. On the other hand, the MacBook Air M2 boasts Apple's renowned Retina display, known for its sharpness, clarity, and true-to-life color reproduction. Whether you're editing photos, watching movies, or browsing the web, both Ultrabooks excel in delivering crisp and vibrant visuals. One of the key differentiators between the HP Spectre x360 and the MacBook Air M2 is their respective operating systems and software ecosystems. The Spectre x360 runs on Microsoft Windows, offering a wide range of compatibility with third-party applications and software. This flexibility allows users to customize their computing experience and access a diverse array of productivity tools and utilities. In contrast, the MacBook Air M2 runs on Apple's macOS, known for its intuitive user interface, seamless integration with other Apple devices, and robust suite of built-in software and apps. Whether you prefer the familiarity of Windows or the streamlined experience of macOS, both Ultrabooks provide distinct advantages in terms of the software ecosystem. In terms of connectivity, both the HP Spectre x360 and the MacBook Air M2 offer a range of ports and wireless connectivity options to meet the needs of modern users. The Spectre x360 features a versatile selection of ports, including USB Type-C, Thunderbolt, and HDMI, providing ample connectivity for external devices and accessories. Similarly, the MacBook Air M2 offers Thunderbolt ports for high-speed data transfer and connectivity to external displays. When it comes to portability, both Ultrabooks excel with their slim and lightweight designs, making them ideal companions for on-the-go professionals and digital nomads. That's it, guys. Choosing between the HP Spectre x360 and the MacBook Air M2 ultimately depends on your specific preferences and requirements. If you value versatility, customization options, and compatibility with a wide range of software, the HP Spectre x360 is an excellent choice. On the other hand, if you prioritize seamless integration, reliability, and an optimized software ecosystem, the MacBook Air M2 offers a compelling option. Whichever Ultrabook you choose, both the Spectre x360 and the MacBook Air M2 represent the pinnacle of innovation and craftsmanship in the world of ultra-portable laptops. If this video is helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.